Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this spectacular monkey. So if you want to make this monkey, you have to follow my instructions one by one. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First of all, you need to open a new project general. Okay, delete this cube. Shift A, mesh plane, and this is going to be a ground. S to scale. Okay, I'm going to rename it ground. And for the monkey, shift A, mesh monkey. G for grab, Z for the x-axis, z-axis. Sorry. Okay, I have to rename it monkey. Okay, now we're done with these two objects. Okay, first of all, we're going to select a monkey and click on F3. F3 is a list to search on it if you forget the shortcuts. For example, duplicate. There's the shortcut within here, Shift U. Okay, but we don't want duplicate. Search smoke and click on select and click on quick smoke. Okay, so click start here, and the monkey is set on smoke animation, but we don't want smoke, we want smoke and fire at the same time. So go here, physics properties, and select the monkey, flow type, fire and smoke. Okay, but if you click on fire only, this will happen, but if you click on smoke only, this will happen, and outflow, nothing at all. So fire plus smoke, sees fire and smoke at the same time. It's cool, right? So I want to show you something else. So let's go at render mode, Z rendered, and this will going to happen. I want to set the light as the sun, so light properties and switch it to sun. I guess this will work. Let's check it out. I expected that as actually. Let's put in the point. In the rendered mode, the fire won't come out. It's only available in the solid view. So this is very nice. And if you want to set the camera number pad 0 and lock the camera to view, can N for the list view, lock camera to view, and you can change the view. I want to show you something new today. But 0, if you want to look at this direction, it's not important to move the scroll wheel and you lock the camera like, okay, hit Control Alt and what? Number pad 0. So this will happen. You will come at the view you wanted, the view you want. Okay, so if we want to see it like this, Control Alt number pad 0, it will focus on this space. Okay, and if you want to focus on the up view, Control Alt 0, and this is the way, like, it's nice. It's a quicker way to set the camera. Control 0 and voila, you got it. And this is a key that brings you this beginning, and this is a key that brings you to the last keyframe. So I want to go to the beginning. The short key is Shift arrow key left. Now wait. Shift arrow key left. Look. And this one, of course, Shift arrow key right. And we're in the end. Shift key right. this is awesome. Actually, this is very awesome. Okay, so I tried to render it, but this doesn't render because it's not a keyframe. It's actually a simulator, so you can't render this, but you can render an image. Actually, when I render the image, this happens, which is very stupid. Yani. This happens, I don't know why, but enjoy the monkey like this. It's nice. It doesn't need rendering actually. So enjoy your fired head monkey, and we're done for the day. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video, and please give me thumbs up. And I want to see lots of comments because I'm going to read it, and subscribe for more videos, of course. And bye bye.